Hey everyone, welcome back to our crypto tutorial series. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send Litecoin from Crypto.com to Kraken in 2025. Whether you're diversifying your portfolio or just moving assets around, this step-by-step process will help you do it safely and efficiently. Let's get started. First, ensure you have both your Crypto.com and Kraken accounts set up and verified. Open the Crypto.com app or website and log in securely. Once you're in, head to your wallet section and locate your Litecoin balance. It's usually under the Assets or Wallets tab, easy to find. Next, select your Litecoin holdings and look for the Withdraw or Send option. This is where the magic happens, but remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so double-check everything. Before proceeding, switch over to your Kraken account. Go to the Deposit section, select Litecoin, and copy the provided wallet address. Pro tip: always verify the address to avoid costly mistakes, especially with the updated security features in 2025. Now, back on Crypto.com, paste that Kraken wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Litecoin you want to send, and don't forget to review any transaction fees. These can vary based on network congestion. In 2025, expect faster processing thanks to improved blockchain tech. Hit the Confirm button, and you might need to verify via two-factor authentication for added security. Once submitted, the transaction will be broadcast to the network. Keep an eye on your Crypto.com dashboard for confirmation. It could take a few minutes to an hour. Finally, hop back to Kraken and check your account to ensure the Litecoin has arrived. If everything's good, you're all set. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video.